Let's see how to change the alarm volume on iPhone. Now set up the alarm. Then select the alarm ring. Select alarm to repeat. Then save. Now go to settings. Then sounds and haptics. There is only one volume setting. If you change the volume, the ringtone and alarm tone will change accordingly. There are no separate sound volume settings between ringtone and alarm tone. You can change ringtone and alarm tone settings by pressing the volume buttons. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.